Friends, we are seeing question number 7 of problem set, and here we are with three factors like 147, 192 and 75. Now change all these numbers to the form where we will have common factor. So 75 is 25 into 3, 147 is just like 49 into 3, and 192 is 64 into 3. So we can see that now root 3 is a common factor among all, and also it carries hidden square numbers. Okay, so 3 into 49, 3 into 64 and 3 into 25 along with their constants. Now we can see that 4 upon 7 into 7 as root 49, root 3 as it is, plus 3 upon 8 into 8 square root of 64, root 3 as it is, minus 1 upon 5 as it is, root 25 means 5 and root 3 constant. Cancelling the terms which are same, we write the factors as it is. Now root 3 is common everywhere we can find. So root 3 is taken common. 4 plus 3 minus 1, that makes it, when there is nothing is 1, 7 minus 1 root 3, and the answer is 6 root 3. So in this way, finding common, we can find the answer. Yes children, the previous question is quite easier, and here in this question we have denominator which is in surd form. So let's see how to solve this. So let us first rationalize last term's denominator. So rationalizing denominator means we will multiply with the same term, and so it makes 5 root 3 plus 2 root 27 plus root 3 upon 3. Root 3 into root 3 means 3. Now we find 3 as a common factor. So root 3 we will try to convert every term in the form of root 3. So we can see 27 is root 9 into 3. Now root 9 means 3. So root 3 as common for that term. 1 upon 3 into root 3, that is. So we can see now root 3, root 3, root 3 everywhere. Root 3 as common. 5 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 upon 3. And this is just addition of whole numbers with fraction. So we can solve in this way. 33 plus 1 into root 3. So that's all for the answer. Let's see next question. Here again we see in last term there is root 6. So let us rationalize it first. So we are writing all the terms as it is with last term rationalizing factor root 6. Now it changes to previous 3 terms we are keeping as it is. 3 root 6 upon root 6 into root 6 means 6. Now we can see root 6 we have common in 2 numbers. So to bring that, let us simplify 3 upon 6 as 1 upon 2. Now already 2 terms have only root 6. So 216 will be converted to root 6 form. So generally divide what number we have in surd form, divide that number, divide the given number by that. So we get that particular term. Product form is 36 into 6. Similarly for 294, the product form is 6 into 49. So we write it in the form of 6 into 49. Now one can see that there are hidden square numbers and having root 6 as common factor. So root 36 is 6, 5 root 6 as it is, root 49 means 7 minus 1 upon 2 as it is. 6 minus 5 plus 7 minus 1 upon 2, that's common with root 6. 6 minus 5 is 1 plus 7 8. 8 minus 1 upon 2 is nothing but by cross multiplication we can find the answer, that is 15 upon 2 root 6. Let's see one more example we have. Example number 4. Here we can see 12, 75 and 48. So if we split it with hidden square numbers, we find root 3 as common factor. So try to find out hidden square numbers first in the product form. We find here, as after finding common, 8 minus 5 minus 28 root 3. 8 minus 5 is 3 minus 28 into root 3 as it is, minus 25 root 3. That's the answer. Let's see one more example. Again here we find in last term, we need to rationalize it. So 2 root 48 minus root 75 minus 1 upon root 3 is multiplied to root 3 to the numerator as well as denominator. After rationalizing, it gives minus sign as it is, root 3 upon 3. 48 is splitted like 16 into 3. 75 is 25 into 3 and root 3 as it was already. 16 means 4 root 3 minus 25 means 5 1 upon 3 as it is. Now one can see root 3 is common for all three terms. So 2 into 4 is 8 minus 5 minus 1 upon 3. 8 minus 5 is 3 minus 1 upon 3 root 3. After solving this, we get answer 8 upon 3 root 3. So here we are finishing. Thank you for watching.